Need to add air conditioning to your Ithaca New York home? Ductless air conditioning could be your best choice. A Daikin Ductless mini-split air conditioner is the great problem solver for your home. The next generation of home cooling has arrived with Daikin Air Intelligence. Daikin Ductless AC systems offers advanced technologies that truly raise the bar in home comfort. From the modern design to features like the intelligent eye that senses movement in a room and adjusts. It will detect when the room is empty for 20 minutes and go to an energy-saving mode, and will resume when someone re-enters the room. This feature alone can save up to 30%. Other features include Inverter Technology and Night Set mode. Many Ithaca homeowners choose a Daikin mini-split air conditioner because it's whisper quiet, perfect for the master bedroom. Daikin delivers freedom of choice with a broad product selection of systems that can cool one room, one area, or the whole house. Discover Daikin Ductless AC for your Ithaca home. Who will you turn to? The leading mini-split installation experts at ANC Heating and Air Conditioning, of course. They're a Daikin certified contractor, family owned and operated, NATE certified, A+ BBB rated, and a consumer top rated contractor. Based in Ithaca, New York, they serve the entire area, including Lansing, Cayuga Heights, Dryden, and Berkshire. Schedule a free consultation. Get high service without high pressure. Call 607-273-1009 today.